Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to fix this problem. So, you'll go to your computer, you'll see in this in device manager, you'll see at the bottom here under USB connector manager, you're gonna get this error UCM UCSI ACPI device. You're gonna get this little orange triangle, and it'll say device status. Windows has stopped this device because it has reported problem code 43. So basically, nothing can fix this. You're gonna be like trying to uninstall it, reinstall it, restart the computer. That doesn't work. None of that works. So you hit uninstall device, right? It's gonna disappear. Then you'll rescan for hardware changes. It's gonna come back with the same error, right? So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. This is on an Asus computer, specifically an Asus A17. This has a Microsoft version of this driver. See where it says manufacturer Microsoft ACPI compliance system. Anyway, I try to fix it myself. I didn't know what I was doing. I'm looking all over the place. Nothing can fix it, right? I'm gonna show you how to fix it right now. So you're gonna go to this website here, which is http www.catalog.update.microsoft.com, and then you're gonna search for. You're gonna go to that site, right? And it's gonna pop up. It's gonna say Microsoft Update Catalog. You're gonna look up UCM right here, UCM, and then hit search. Okay, so you're gonna get all these different manufacturers here. Um, Give me 1 second. So, anyways, yeah. So the first one is called Surface Dash UCM dash 2.57.18.0. That's the one you want. So you're gonna click right here, download, and it's gonna have like it'll show you this, and you're just gonna click this link right here, and as soon as you click it, it'll start downloading. So it'll download a cab folder. So you need 7-zip to extract it. You're gonna right click on it. You're gonna select 7-zip. You're gonna extract, and it's gonna create another folder with the file with these 3 files in it. Okay. So remember where you put that folder, because you're gonna need to go to. You're gonna right click on this device, the one that has the error, and you're gonna go to update driver. You're not gonna go to search automatically. You're gonna select browse my computer for drivers. You're gonna select let me pick from a list of available drivers, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click this button right here, have disk, and then it's gonna ask you to insert the disk. You don't have a disk, so you're gonna click browse, and you're gonna go to the folder where you extracted that to. So here's the extracted folder, and you're gonna see this. It's gonna say Surface UCM UCS HID client. You're gonna click on it. You're gonna hit OK. Then you're gonna see this in the model. You're gonna see the model Surface UCM UCSI HID client. You're gonna hit next. It's gonna say update driver warning. Install this device driver is not recommended. Blah blah blah. Just hit yes, and that's it. It installed, and your problem is gone. It works. So now you can restart your computer, whatever. It's gonna be fine now. Everything works. It's gone. There's no more triangle. This device is working. See, device is working properly. Everything is all good. Okay. That's the only thing that I was able to. That's how I was able to resolve this issue for my computer. Thank you. Have a great day.